Check it out, you guys. What do we have here? If that isn't 200 Axxis right there, I don't know what is. You see that? Model number BDBW, 36 pieces. Each one of those boxes packed full of Axxis. Hell yeah. Yes, look at that. Long time coming. Wow. Gosh, those look incredible.
Definitely looks chiseled.
Straight from the Stone Age.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they crushed it.
Is that oil that's on them?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. They oiled them too.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
A little bit of oil, or there's a waxy kind of coating. They have a protectant on
This
them.
one has a lot of that.
You could see it, yeah. Yeah.
Good. Well, it'll travel well then.
Yeah.
They'll make it to their home well. Nice.
I guess let's get these packaged up and start sending them out, yeah?
Yeah. Groovy.
Okay.